I love the rain. So I just wanted to. Oh, wait, it's not coming. So I just wanted to get this moment of time. Rain. Thank you guys for all the support you've been showing me. I love that I'm doing my readings more often. Let me clean my camera again. I love the rain. It's so cleansing, right? So cleansing and just all of that really good energy, right? From the universe, from Mother Nature, from the stars, from heaven, from everywhere. Thank you, Mother Nature. Thank you, ancestors. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, spirit guides. For everything, right? But you know, the biggest thank you to God, right, for keeping me alive, for keeping me authentic, right? For letting me be myself and still live, right? Still have a life purpose where I can be myself. That is a sign from God, right? Anything else that is not letting you be you, right? That is not making you feel comfortable, right? That is hindering you. That is not God. We know who that is, right? Confirmation with changes, right?